guys, running Kimono here. So the Yeet bug is out because this is just like the greatest deal this week. It's at the Dollar General and it is to get $30 a gain merch with the $5 off. Pairing it on Saturday with a 5 off of 25. That's $10 off a $30 basket. There is still incredibly high value coupons floating around. I know a lot of you had Prices Right moments last week. I did too. It is fantastic. Like paying $6 for like a $30 basket of Gain Magic. As you can see in my receipt here, see that thing where it says store discount, and they're stacked together? That's when you know that definitively the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30 is stacking. And that is on Saturday only. And that's how you can read a receipt. And I got a $30 basket down to $6.35. So yes, my matchups do in fact work. If you're really new to this, I would recommend to pass on it because it might be altogether too much. However, if you are a super student, this is totally a video for you. It's for more intermediate to advanced Dollar General shoppers. Use the app, scan in store to make sure that what you're grabbing is attaching, but this is just tremendous. So next weekend with bells on, I will be out there trying to find as many deals as I can. Follow me on Instagram. I'm always posting Dollar General stuff on Saturday, but I am really excited for the 18th. Okay, again, guys, for the biggest savings, we're going to be going on Saturday, July the 18th to get both the 5 off of 30 and the 5 off of 25 working in concert. I showed you a receipt in the slide previous. It does, in fact, work. If you're going to go and do these deals before Saturday, add an extra $5 to your balance because you will not have the Saturday savings. Use the Dollar General app to scan the items to make sure that the 5 off of 30 particularly is attaching. That is the most important thing. And you got to make sure your balance is exactly at 30. So if it's at $29.99, you're 1 penny short of getting that savings. So you really got to pay attention. I would recommend to bring a pad of paper and pencil to do that math to make sure that everything balances. These are also Michigan prices. So possibly if you're in a different market than it might be more, it might be less. And also on Saturday morning, double, triple check that your digital coupons are still in your folder. A couple weeks back, a lot of them magically disappeared, so we don't want any of that nonsense. So definitely check your app before you leave the house to make sure that you're on the same page as I so you can get the biggest savings. Now, we will be addressing the last matchup to use this coupon from the July P&G, which is the buy one, get one free on the Febreze products. Now, this specific coupon, there is a way to make it work with the cash registers, because if you present it at the end, the second one will beep, but if you scan 2 items, scan a coupon, that is the magic of how it works. So I will explain this towards the balance, but I know a lot of you were like, how do I use this? So I have an answer for you, and it is in this video. Okay, so looking at this, there is a receipt coupon that is printing out if you purchase $15 of P&G products that include the Gain line, and it's valid right up until the 18th of July, so we're in that window. However, the stipulation is you have to have at least a $15 balance that you're paying out of pocket for this thing to trigger and print. So if your balance is like, $8, it's not going to print. If it's like 15, 16, whatever, it will print. So just really pay attention to that because it has to be a $15 balance for this thing to print. What I would personally do is go back into the store. If it does print on your receipt, grab one of these for $5 or any toilet paper. Why not? And buy it right away. Don't keep that thing in your wallet because if you're anything like me, sometimes you forget or, you might throw it out by accident, but spend it right away. That's what I would do. And if you don't know how to use the Dollar General app, I have a very quick tutorial I will link at the end of this video. And it's basically the ABC 123 on how to use the app and how to scan products to make sure that the digital coupons are applying. So just to give you a quick example, if you're looking here, I have some Febreze with the Gain Scent wax melts. As you can see, the 5 off of 30 and the 3 off of 2 are attaching to this product. So if I pick up 2 of these, it's going to work for my basket. And see where that arrow is? That's the stack that you're looking for. Now, I know that I don't mention this in all of my videos, but there's this site called P&G Good Every Day. And basically, Gain and Swiffer is part of that website, and basically you sign up, photograph receipts, and you're going to get points towards gift cards. It's a very easy process. I did 2 transactions last Saturday, plus I had a whole bunch of Walgreens, Olay, and I had some Old Spice body wash. I got enough points for a gift card with a submission of 3 receipts. So definitely a site to look into if you've never signed up. It is free to sign up, and it is a stupendous app. Starbucks, Chipotle, Dunkin' Donuts, just a whole bunch of different gift cards. I think even Apple is there, and gift cards start at 750 points, and I have been averaging about 250 points per receipt. And the quick pumpkin update for many of you. Well, he decided he wants to formally change his name to Smokey, and he was sleeping in our guest bed this morning, smoking a big cigarette. So I'm not sure what to think of that. Maybe you guys can let me know in the comments if you're having a very challenging summer with your cat as well. Okay guys, so deal number 1 is 100% digital. You need your cornerstone, which is the 5 off of 25 for this upcoming Saturday. And let's not forget that all digital coupons are a one-time use. So if you used this guy last weekend, you can't use him again, which is the 5 off of 30. You also need this one for the basket. So we're going to be grabbing 2 detergent items. One of them has to be a fling, and then 1 fabric softener product. Now, often I'll just say, grab 2 bags of flings and 1 thing of fireworks. If you want to grab like 1 fling, 1 detergent, and 1 thing of dryer sheets, you can do that, but it has to work in correspondence with these coupons: the $2 for the fling, the $2 for the firework, and then the last one, which is the fling or the detergent. So you can do an either or there, but it doesn't have to be specifically what I'm saying. So if you wanted to get like a liquid, a fling, and then if you also wanted to get like a fabric softener product, like dryer sheets instead of the fireworks, that's totally fine. We're also grabbing 2 of the Febreze fabric products. So if you have pets and you just need to refresh your couch or, fabric products in your home, these are $3.55, which is a really fantastic price. And we have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. So please make sure you have that guy loaded. And I loaded some coupons this morning and they were all still in my account. So in case you didn't load them last week, they're still there. We're also going to be grabbing 3 of these Gain dish soaps. They're $2 a pop. And we have a wonderful 50 center. As you can see, the 50 center stacking with the 5 off of 30, so you know you're grabbing the right item. And then we're also going to grab 2 of these Mr. Clean with the Gain scent. You got to really pay attention. It says Gain on it. They're $3 a pop, and then we have the $1 off to accompany that, along with the 5 off of 30. Okay, guys, let's look at the math for this one. 2 of the Gain flings is $7.90. 1 Gain fireworks is $3.95. 2 of the Mr. Clean with the Gain scent, they're $3 a pop, so that's $6 on the nose. And then 2 of the Febreze fabric with the Gain scent is $7.90. And then 3 Gain dish soaps at $2 a pop, well, that's $6 right there. Adding all of this up, it's $30.95. Immediately after the cashier scans your last dish soap, you punch in your phone number at the speed of light. The 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30 are coming off, along with $10.50 of digital manufacturers. You're left with paying $10.45 out of pocket. This does not include your tax. Before tax, guys, it's $1 per product. With digital coupons alone, to get like a $30 basket for $10, well, that's some significant savings. That's 1/3 of the cost and a whole lot of wonderful items for your household. Okay, guys, deal number 2 is 100% digital again. We need our cornerstones, which is the 5 off of 30. Please make sure you have that guy loaded to your store card, along with the 5 off of 25. So you need both of these to work in concert for the magic to happen. Okay, so the first item that we're going to be grabbing for our basket includes 2 of the Febreze wax melts with the Gain logo on it. So it's a Gain scent in the wax, $3 a pop. We have this wonderful 3 off of 2 that's attaching, along with the 5 off of 30. Then we're going to be grabbing 2 of the Mr. Clean with the Gain scent. They're $3 a pop, so that's $6 on the nose. And then we have this wonderful $1 off 2 coupon that's attaching. We're going to grab one of the Swiffer duster kits with the Gain scent. There's 6 items in this box. Make sure it has that logo, and this wonderful $2 coupon is affixing to that product, along with a Gain dish soap for 2, and the 50 centers attaching to that one. And then to round off the basket, we're going to grab 2 of the flings for $3.95, and then 1 fireworks Again, you can diversify that as we were talking about it earlier. And then these are the wonderful coupons that are attaching. We have a 2 for each. So that is some tremendous savings right here. And as you can see too, for the fling and the fireworks, those two are expiring on Saturday. So definitely use or lose them, guys. Looking at the math for this, 2 of the Febreze with Gain wax melts are $6 on the nose. 2 of the Mr. Clean with the Gain scent at $3 a pop each is $6. 1 Swiffer with the Gain scent, that little kit, is $4.50. 1 Gain dish soap is $2 on the nose. 2 of the Gain flings at $3.95, guys, is $7.90. And then 1 Gain fireworks at $3.95 on its own. So the total for all of this wonderful merchandise is $30.35 on the nose. Immediately after the cashier scans your last item, you punch in your phone number at the speed of light, and sparks are going to be flying off that little keypad. The 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30 are coming off, along with $12.50 of digital manufacturers. You're left with paying $7.85. This does not include your tax, but before tax, guys, for all of these wonderful products, you're looking at 87 cents per product. So this is tremendous savings right here. Okay, so let's just kind of shake this around a little bit. Let's try and get one of those receipt coupons to print. As you can see, it's printing right up until the 18th, so you're still in that window. But the key to this is you have to have a $15 balance of what you're paying for this guy to print. So we're just going to kind of do this in a different sort of a way. So as you guys remember in that matchup that we just did, we're just going to augment it where we're going to throw in 2 extra Gain flings. Why not? So we're going to grab 2 extra products off of this, whichever you want. I'm going to say some Gain flings. Why not? Okay, so looking at this math again, it's all the same thing, except for we're grabbing 2 extra bags of the flings for $7.90. So the new total in green there is $38.25. After the cashier scans your last item, you're punching in your phone number at the speed of light. And all of the same coupons are coming off, include the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30, along with $12.50 of digitals. The new subtotal that you have to pay before tax is $15.75. We want that $15 balance so the $5 receipt coupon will print out. So after you get that back, it's $10.75 for the items, or it basically makes it 97 cents each, which is still a little bit out of pocket. But then you have a $5 coupon to use immediately after, like on your next transaction or whatever you wish to use it for. What I would recommend is to go and buy one of these. You know, after everything that we've gone through in 2020, toilet paper is like a hot commodity, if not gold, and something that you really want to always have a good surplus of in your home. So this is the item I would grab, this or like a hand sanitizer, because you know I'm a super practical girl, but this is what I would go and do. So look at the bottom of your receipt. It's there. Go and grab one of these and, you know, dance in the parking lot because you got a great deal on toilet paper. Okay, guys, next deal that we're going to look at involves paper coupons. So we're going to need our 2 cornerstones, which is the 5 off of 30, along with the 5 off of 25. So you need both of these on the Saturday to get the biggest amount of savings. And so many of you over on Instagram were like, oh my gosh, it's working. Thank you. So it's working. We're going to be grabbing one of these, which is the Swiffer Duster Kit. It is $4.50. Please make sure it has the Gain logo on it because this is a Gain basket, and there it is right there. And then we're also going to be grabbing 2 of these Swiffer wet packs. They're also $4.50, but when you buy 2 for $9, you're going to get $1 of instant savings. So I have factored that into the mathematics for this one. And I did purchase 2 of these last weekend and it was working for me, and the dollar came off. So just to note that is working. So also from the July P&G, we're going to need 2 of these, which is the $2 off, and it works perfectly with those wet packs, just to note that in case you guys are worried. Along with, we're also going to need this digital coupon for the kit. So it's the little 2 bucko one, and it attaches to that kit. We're going to be grabbing off of this menu here 2 of the flings and then 1 of the fireworks. But if you want to shake that up, we've discussed that a couple of times in the video. And these are the digital coupons that are corresponding. We have a $2 for the fling, a $2 for the firework, and then this last $2 for a second bag of flings. Now we're also going to be grabbing 3 of these Gain dish soaps, and they're $2 a pop, so that's $6. And we are going to need 2 of these from the July P&G, which is a 50 center. And then the final digital that you need is the counterpart of that one, which is a 50-cent digital for this. And as you can see, it's attaching with the 5 off of 30. Okay, so the math for this one, we have 1 of the Swiffer duster kits for $4.50, 2 of the Swiffer wet packs. They are also $4.50 a pop, but let's not forget we're getting $1 of instant savings. It's $1 when you buy 2, so I'm accounting that right here, okay? 2 of the Gain flings at $3.95, which is $7.90. 1 Gain fireworks for $3.95, and then 3 bottles of the Gain dish soap, $2 a pop each, so that's $6. Adding all of this up together with the instant savings, that's $30.35. At this point, you're handing over your paper coupons that include $2 for the Swiffers and then 2 50 centers for the Gain dish soap. And this is found in the July P&G. After the cashier scans that last paper coupon, you punch in your phone number at the speed of light. The 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 is coming off, along with $8.50 of digital manufacturers. You're left with paying $6.85 out of pocket. This does not include your tax, and it basically shakes out each item to 76 cents each. This right here is extreme couponing. Okay guys, so the final deal that we have again is with paper coupons. This one is extremely extreme. So if you're a more experienced shopper, this one is right up your alley. You need your cornerstone, which is the 5 off of 30. Along with the 5 off of 25. Please make sure you have both of those loaded to your store card for the maximum amount of savings. And we're going to be grabbing 2 of the Febreze fabric with the Gain scent for $3.55. So 2 of them, that's $7.90 on the nose. And then the second item that we're going to be grabbing, guys, is 4 of these wax melt with the Gain scent for $3 a pop. So that's $12 right there. And we're going to be utilizing 2 of these from the July P&G, and any sort of buy one, get one free coupon. Typically how you have to do it at the Dollar General is get the cashier to scan 2 of your items and present a coupon, 2 of the items, and then present the last coupon. Or you can present it at the end if you wish, but maybe smarter to do like scan 2 items, present a coupon, scan 2 items, present a coupon. If you don't do it in that order, essentially what's going to happen is the second coupon will beep. And it just has to do with the fact that it's a buy one, get one free, or if you've ever done like a 3 off of 2 coupon, that sort of thing, the second one always beeps. So you have to do it in that chronology. I know it's super goofy, but it's just one of the little tricks over at the Dollar General. We're also going to need this digital loaded to our store card, which is the 3 off of 2. And we are also going to be grabbing 3 of these items, 2 of the flings, 1 firework. Again, as we've discussed in this video, if you wanted to get like a detergent, a fling, and then fabric softener sheet or dryer sheets, that would also work, or like a fabric softener. But I'm going to go with fireworks. Why not? And then we're going to need these 3 digital coupons also loaded to our store card. And 2 of them are expiring on Saturday, so definitely this is a use or lose sort of situation. Okay, guys, so 2 of the Gain with Febreze, that fabric spray is $7.10. They are $3.55 a pop. 4 of the Febreze with Gain wax melts, that is $12. There's $3 each. And then 2 of the Gain flings is $7.90, and then 1 Gain fireworks is $3.95. Adding all of this merchandise up together, we have a total of $30.95. Remember what I was telling you about? Get the cashier to scan 2 of those Febreze products, present a coupon, 2 Febreze products, present a coupon. So definitely do that jog. If your store is super strict, you're not going to be able to do this at all, but that's how we would do it. After the cashier scans that last coupon, you punch in your phone number at the speed of light. 5 off of 25, 5 off of 30 is coming off, along with $9 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. You're left with paying $5.95 out of pocket for the 9 items, shaking it out to 66 cents per product. This is absolutely where it's at, and what a wonderful balance. Now, if you are unsure about any of this, or if you just want to see what I'm doing before you head out to the Dollar General, or if there might be some hiccups or problems, please give me a follow over on Instagram. This is my name, and I will definitely be posting what is and is not working as the day progresses. I typically don't make a Dollar General video on Saturday, but I do post a lot over on Instagram. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.